In search of a budget-friendly smartphone with essential features? Look no further than the Samsung Galaxy A05s. It's a sleek, modern device that balances affordability with performance, offering a vibrant display, smooth operation, and impressive battery life. Now let's dive deeper into what this smartphone has to offer. The Samsung Galaxy A05s sports a sleek and modern design. Its lightweight plastic body is easy on the hands, making it convenient for prolonged usage. Coupled with this is the impressive 6.5-inch HD Plus display. This feature offers vibrant colors and decent viewing angles, truly enhancing your multimedia experience. Whether you're watching a video, browsing the web, or playing a game, the display brings content to life in a vivid and immersive way. With the Galaxy A05s, your multimedia experience will be both enjoyable and comfortable. Under the hood, the Galaxy A05s packs enough punch for your daily tasks. It's equipped with a budget-friendly Exynos series processor. This, coupled with ample RAM, ensures a smooth performance, whether you're scrolling through your social feed or checking emails. You can even indulge in some light gaming. The A05s is nimble and responsive, making it a reliable companion for your day-to-day digital needs. While it might not be the most powerful device out there, it handles essential tasks with ease. Capture your best moments with the Galaxy A05s's versatile camera setup. This device boasts a triple or quad camera arrangement, with the main lens typically around 13 megapixels. Whether you're shooting in depth sensing, macro, or ultra-wide-angle mode, you're in for a treat. The Galaxy A05s offers a range of camera features to enhance your photography experience, from easy-to-use modes to quality-enhancing settings. With the Galaxy A05s, you'll be ready to capture any moment, anytime. Running on the latest version of Android, the Galaxy A05s ensures a smooth user experience. Samsung's One UI skin offers a user-friendly interface, brimming with customization options and features. Regular security updates keep you safe. With the Samsung Galaxy A05s, you're always up to date and secure. Stay connected all day long with the Galaxy A05s's impressive battery life and connectivity options. This device is powered by a robust battery with a capacity of around 5,000 mAh. It's more than capable of keeping you online, whether you're playing games, streaming videos, or browsing. And with its fast charging technology, you'll be back to full power in no time. For getting connected, this phone offers essential features like 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. With the Samsung Galaxy A05s, you're always connected and ready to go. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A05s is a reliable budget smartphone that doesn't compromise on essential features. With its sleek design, solid performance, versatile camera, user-friendly software, remarkable battery life, and essential connectivity options, it provides great value. So if you're looking for functionality, battery life, and value for money in a smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A05s is a strong contender.